Hello, hello, hello. This is Danny Ceballos with your Unleashed Consulting Best Boss Take 5. Thanks for being here. We're going to continue with our exploration of Peter Senge's 11 laws of systems thinking, and we're now up to system law number 9. Small changes can produce big results, but the areas of highest leverage are often the least obvious. So again, system problems, system challenges are when we're facing problems or challenges that have multiple components, a lot of moving pieces. You've tried in the past to work with them or fix them. And what's the third thing? And they show up over and over again. When you're dealing with a system, with a problem or a challenge in the work that you're doing as a manager and a leader, and it has those components, odds are it's a pretty good chance it's a system problem. And so the 11 laws really help to govern how you can think about how the system operates. And with that kind of insight and knowledge, you really can, you have the best chance of actually making a difference with the system challenge. So system law number 9 says small changes can produce big results, but the areas of highest leverage are often the least obvious. 3 things I want you to think about as you consider this dynamic, this law. The first is I want you to think Jenga. Think Jenga. So if you know the Jenga game with all the stacked blocks, you know that when you pull out 1 or 2 of them, they make the biggest difference. But there are a whole bunch that don't make a damn bit of difference, and the tower keeps standing. So as you're thinking about where to make the change, how to solve, how to fix the system problem, and you're looking at all the different opportunities that present themselves, all the different places in the system that you can get into to make a change, I want you to think about where in that system will take the least amount of effort and you'll get the biggest result. That's like the Jenga piece. What piece of this can I impact or affect to get the biggest result? That's number 1. Number 2 is you gotta do. You gotta do due diligence. Due diligence means that I want you to act like a fascinated anthropologist. So before you get going on figuring out where to address or impact or fix this system, do your due diligence. Spend some time, slow down and really see if you can take apart all the different components of the system. Ideally, you map them. Ideally, you're working with somebody else to understand that. But do your due diligence. Be an anthropologist. See if you can uncover all the different parts and facets before you decide where you want to put your efforts and your resources to fix the problem. And number 3, a really handy dandy tool is to do a 2x2 matrix, right? 2x2 matrix. One axis, the horizontal or the vertical axis is impact, and the horizontal axis is resources. The idea being that you want to think about all of the different solutions, the different ways you can impact or fix this system, and put them on this 2x2 matrix. You're going to find that some are going to be pretty resource intensive to get you the best results. You're also going to find that there are some that are resource intensive that don't give you the best results. The idea, of course, is that you want to find the highest impact, the quadrant with the highest impact and the lowest resource. Fixate on that solution, on that Jenga piece, on that place in the system to make the fix, to actually achieve the result you want. Again, a 2x2 matrix with impact versus resources. All right, this is Danny Ceballos with your Unleashed Consulting Best Boss Take 5. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you next time. Stay cool out there. Bye now.